easy go.
Pozdrav svima ljudi, dobrodošli u moj novi video. Dok sam juče streamovao, naletali smo na jednog gledatelja koji me tu samo došao da me gleda i pitao me jel može da igra sa mnom. Ja sam se složio, tako da ja sam pokazao mu kod, on je ušao i ja sam samo želeo da vidim da li on ima rang 25. Ja sam vidio da on zapravo nema rang 25. Ja sam ga pitao da li on želi da mu pomognemo da digne rang 25. I Hanzo se složio, ja sam se složio, on je pokušao već 5 mjeseca da zapravo digne ga. I prvo što smo krenuli jeste bila dobra mapa za jam grab, pa on je uzeo Taru, pošto tog je žao brawlera na rang 25, Hanzo je uzeo Rosu i ja sam odlučio da uznem Groma. Zato što nisam baš znao kogu brawlera, tako da on mi je prvi pao na pamet. Prva partija je zapravo veoma dobro krenula, ali ja sam odlučio da promenim brawlera. I ja sam se razmišljao koću, ja sam odlučio da želim lolu da igram. Tako da sam se prebacio na mini gdje mi je bila max i krenuo sam samo da je igram. Bilo je veoma dobro zapravo išlo, samo smo pođivali. Naravno tu smo jednom put izgubili sve to, ali ovako je sve odlično išlo. Ali onda je morao Hanzo da ode, tako da smo morali da nastavimo sam. I ja sam odlučio da igramo duo. Ja i Impe smo odlučili da igramo duo. Ja sam pitao Impeta dok smo igrali jam grab, imam jednu ideju možda za video, ne znam jel se ti slažeš oko toga, ne znam jel on želi zapravo da se snime takav klip ili ne. Ja sam ga pitao nešto vezano kao pomažem gledatelju da dignem svoj prvi rang 25 i sve to. I on se zapravo složio sa time i otišli smo mi u duo, ja sam uzeo Mortisa zato što mi je bilo dosadno. Pošto pričam već skoro 2 minuta, samo ima da vas pustim i da gledate video. Bili su stvarno veoma dobri trenuci, tako da uživajte. Impe mora bežim. Nemojte mene. Mora ode malo u otru. Mora opet ode malo u otru. Oh my god, Impe ono dosta, Impe je ostao živ, ili će ga ubije? Ajde Impe, tu Impe! Svaka čast Impe, idemo! Samo vinove ređu. Mora se kuneš. Au, ovo ima 10, nema šanse da ga ubijem. Sad Impe, sad! Napad! Impe izvini, opet sam ja kriv. Nisam da ga mogu ubijem. Izvini Impe. Za malo si ubio ovo. Krova. Izvini Impe opet.
Hey Nate, how's life? I don't know, it's alright. I've been dealing with some things like every human being and really didn't sleep much last night. I'm sorry, that's fine. I just think I need a little me time. I just think I need a little free time. Little break from the shows and the bus rides. Yeah, last year I had a breakdown. Thoughts telling me I'm lost, getting too loud. Had to see a therapist and I found out something funny's going on up in my house. Yeah, started thinking maybe I should move out. You know, pack my car, take a new route. Clean up my yard, get the noose out. Hang up my heart, let it air out. I've been searching, what does that mean, Nate? I've been learning, grabbing my keepsakes, leaving my burdens. Well, I brought a few with me, I'm not perfect. Looking at the view like this concerns me. Picking up the cues right, I'm quite nervous. Hate it when I lose sight, life gets blurry and things might hurt me. It's probably gonna be a long journey, but it's worth it though. Cold world out there, kids, grab your coat. Spend a minute, I know, now I'm back to Rome. Looking for the antidote to crack the code. Pretty vivid, I admit it, I'm in class classic mode. Don't need pity given to me, but I can't condone. Talking down to me, I'ma have to crack your nose for cracking jokes. I'm looking for the map to hope, you see me? Been making a whole lot of changes. Wrote a song about that, you should play it. I get scared when I walk on these stages. I look at the crowd and see so many faces. Yeah, that's when I start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. That's when I put on my makeup and drown in self-hatred. Forget what I'm saying and where the beat go? Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame, it upon my stomach. Throw it back up like I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. OCD trying to push my buttons. I said don't touch it, now y'all done it. I can be critical, never typical. Intricate with every syllable, I'm a criminal. Intimate but never political, pretty visual. Even if you hate it, I make you feel like you're in it though. You call me what you want, but never call me forgettable. Leave you deep in thought, I can never swim in the kiddie pool. Waited, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. Man, I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. Yeah, the sales can rise, doesn't mean much though when your health declines. See, we've all got something that we trapped inside that we try to suffocate, you know, hoping it dies. Try to hold it underwater, but it always survives. And it comes up out of nowhere like an evil surprise. Then it hovers over you to tell you millions of lies. You don't relate to that? Must not be as crazy as I am. The point I'm making is the mind is a powerful place, and what you feed it can affect you in a powerful way. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but it's not always safe. Just hang with me, this'll only take a moment, okay? Just think about it for a second. If you look at your face every day when you get up and think you'll never be great, you'll never be great. Not because you're not, but the hate will always find a way to cut you up and murder your faith. I've been developing, take a look at the benefits. Nothing to meddle with, I can never be delicate. My even relevant, that depends how you measure it. Take a measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident, dependable, can never be tentative. I'm a gentleman, depending on if I think you're genuine. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to tell you to get it. Grip proper etiquette, I keep it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time again. Better grab your balloons and invite your friends. Seatbelts back on, yeah, strap them in. Look at me, everybody, I'm smiling big. On a road right now that I can't predict. Tell me tone that down, but I can't resist. Y'all know that sound, better raise your fist. The search begins, I'm back, so enjoy the trip, huh?